We have shop.
This is it. Took it inside and like yes.
Hi guys. Daddy, you don't start though. Yeah, man, say that ugly woman.
Hello there, daddy. Now your I dey take call am. Now your wife. You know, if you dey talk for meeting.
Hey y'all. Hello. This is a Saturday. No, today is a Sunday. Today is 9th of August 2026. And I think this is like a cake batter. That's what they're trying to make a cake actually. So this is actually a cake batter. And the reason I didn't go to church is unheard of. May God forgive me, Sha. I don't go to church today. Today is 9th of August. Yesterday was my mom's her mom's birthday. What they call that thing? After death. Her first birthday after death. I pray. Yesterday was a roller coaster for me, and I practically did not do anything yesterday apart from I cooked rice and I did the work again, and I loosened my hair and washed my hair. That was the only thing I did yesterday. So moving on today, I was just not in the mood to go out or do anything. I've not gone to church. I just ate should I say the leftover of yesterday, the rice. I warmed it, then I ate, and here I am just vlogging the day as it goes by. How are you guys? Did you guys go to church today? So I'll make this particular vlog, a one-day vlog, so that I'll just take you across the board what went down today. So it will be a full day vlog. So guys, see y'all, and I want you guys to enjoy this vlog as it goes. Bye. What do you measuring?
I'm enjoying it. I'm being careful so I don't put egg that is bad. Because if you break egg that is bad now, so
Everything is not perfect. And you know, funny enough, I've never opened a spoiled egg before. Sometimes if you buy something, one girl now return egg that her mom bought. The woman changed it for her. Like she changed another egg for her.
but some will not change it.
This is how one that I bought mineral for. I tell her that the thing is tasting so bland. She now collect it. She changed it for me. See? Change it though. Change it.
Some man is a good.
She's nice.
Many will not change it.
And I tell her, let me see how things will be like. I've never seen spoiled egg before. And was smelling it. Fucking smells. And I just broke it from that tap. It just washed my hand inside this thing. I used to wash my hand. As I wash my hand, it just, and I had to go and use that sanitizer this thing to wash my hand. When she showed me, it was really smelling. It's not my first time seeing spoiled egg. I've never broken spoiled egg. I've seen. That's the first time I want chocolate of real. So it's even good that you can't have crate of egg. Okay. What do you use that crate of egg to do, man? I don't know. Now you told me that I bought enough letter school. Now you told me last day. Which you told me? Letter school. How many this thing? One capsule. The last, jollof. Last time. Carry my lights now. Yeah. You where I give tripod stand. You never even do one content. What is inside that cup?
Butter, milk and so create buttercream.
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk, sorry.
Sorry, why is there water here? Vinegar. Read it now. What does it do for the body? For salad. 5% acidic. If your fridge is smelling, what is the use it and clean it? I'll put baking soda instead to stop smelling. If you ask the what uses of vinegar, it tells you that it's one single thing in the household that is very good. But any cake you do with milk must finish it ready.
No, especially there's preservative not to be happy.
This be not there, it's not preservative.
No.
How many teaspoons?
Tablespoon.
Our spoon is bigger than this.
Imagine it because it's not enough. So I put my
Hardness of a cake
Share me on
is
it.
when you put flour.
Not too hard.
When the flour is too much.
Not too much.
And it's folding in.
Because I'm too weak. I pour that milk inside.
Help me now, let me mix it. Let me mix it. Half.
What's more? Don't do your turn it.
Actually, you're capturing that. This one, standard birthday cake is this. All those big cake you see, I don't think you need to do this. Because for ordinary butter and sugar to be like this, I'm not have flour. When we did that one, everything like this is like this.
People eat big and this one. Don't you eat side?
No, sister is like to associate it like that.
If you see the one that Susan made
Cake.
big cake like this, 2-layer cake.
We use that cake, we now use and drink malt. She get went to birthday, folding it, you're incorporating it. Let's have cake.
People should do bakery, open bakery, cake bakery stuff.
It's not yet there.
Business.
And
There's
somebody now be pricing you 15,000.
yeah, you do 50,000 hours now. Play my house. If it's sweet, you know that it's from there that people that will taste the cake will be who made this cake? That kind of thing. From there, you're selling
I want them
yourself
2
now.
more years to do. No, but they wanted to start that cake business. They bring it out in their house, their shop there.
So what now happened to them?
They even put signposts.
She wears the color.
I don't know.
We don't bring color.
I not see like them be doing what they're checking.
So what now make them not stop corner?
No. I think we're tired now.
It's check they know they get customer.
Maybe.
Oh nice. How
Right from
The oil is integrated it.
you hear what
I
I'm
should
saying
have-
now.
I should have put it early when I was doing the butter and the sugar.
Then I hear him.
she now say
It's okay, it's too much gone. We
What is
pass
this?
each other.
Are you seeing the quantity and
Red flavor. Red color.
red flavor.
Red velvet.
This is it red
Color.
flavor. This is not red now.
Oh yeah now. Come and touch that you say it's red.
Why is it so reddish like this? Look like menstrual blood.
Say now hear me. We pass. I wanted to open mouth first. She not open mouth too. Mama. I lock. Say hi. Everybody done they grow.
They play my fans.
It's not be small thing though. Now mommy saw me, she would have tell her mommy that. Her mommy would have tell her. She saw me that fat. Mommy kept saying that fat. Now
And you big like this. Come out nice.
So good.
Everybody pass each other. Say, everybody don't need to now. Sorry, yo. Everybody to the big girl. This is still the batter, guys. See the oil? Yes.
It's the oil
Oil
that is
and
breaking
egg.
it.
Supposed to do fast before you
It's that oil. No, the egg. There's nothing wrong with it. It's the oil I put last. That oil is breaking the mixture.
There's one this thing that we did, algae this thing. Algae growth, what is that in that corner department? This is how the thing wants to look like. Only that one looks greenish.
It's the oil that is breaking the mixture, the butter. Because I put it.
Actually, you're supposed to put it in now.
Don't worry.
You know, everybody have the different time they put their own.
I should have put it in the beginning, not even now.
Be like Eba.
So use hot water to free it up.
This basket is too big in my eye now.
It's too big, but we don't have this small one. So we're using what is available. Oh yeah.
I cannot left hand and left. Touch, roll it inside.
Just keep doing it. Just finish it. When I was in service, wasn't I marked that myself?
Mark them, claiming their
She's marking it with correction food.
Sangus, no, no, there is you.
To sleep off. Should you please let me boys?
My pass.
The funny thing is that when do I? It's not like this. It's easier.
Hey, so that remember to do garlic something inside it.
Inside way. I wash it now. Just boil water. It doesn't matter. It's not strong. It's all I'm supposed to use, but it's not strong.
You know I got there's two. I love baking.
This is all I'm supposed to use, but it's not strong. How much I buy my own that time? Not strong. It's already crumbling.
What? That one is for pancake.
You know, see, come and see the difference now that I use it. You see it's smooth compared to when I was using toner. You see? You see it's smooth compared to when I was using toner. Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference?
I see him.
The difference is in your two. That toner is not
Now my wig turned to two like this.
because it's not strong.
Now my wig is good. You want to be scared. Doing this sort of boy.
I'm supposed to put 2 cups. This half cup. So I'm using 1 cup first. I'm going to use sticks to mix. But this is not strong. This is what I'm going to do.
I get to food that thing. I wanted to, well, I wanted to sell it before so that we'll give it to that woman that used to give us bath in return. No man,
It was not video. Yes. Yeah.
She, there's no place to put that cupcake.
Just do it there for me. Just do it there for me.
Don't worry. You can still do it. You can still do it. I'll just cook from it. So, yeah.
Where's the second one? You see.
Times not to tell you.
Use your hand and pour it out.
Anyway,
This is the
Wait, wait a second.
you ever see the picture of Gian tied
That's
up, right?
this thing might even be too much for
We'll
us.
activate Burnout's force to get it today.
Not see the way this one rise.
Thanks to me. I'm the one
They
who
have
has shown in only 3 days.
You never need to reach half. This one have rise. This thing have better have rise.
Okay, then when you brought this one, not see where you
It was flat, nice. It was flat like this.
To kill her. Why? You made all this way just to chicken out. Maybe I was wrong about you.
I'm putting this to keep heat trapped inside. So it's going to cook your medium heat.
Should I even trust you? Aren't you curious about the person that your uncle really was?
Super nice. No, use this one. You stop putting on chop before the rest is get done.
Go now!
Let's eat this one and eat before the remaining one gets done. Eat something, anything, and maybe tea or anything you want to use and eat. And it's plenty, Abby. So you just use force and swell. I think it's almost done because it's coming out clean. Like
It's done now.
no, the top is wet. See, the top is wet. Maybe small. The top is wet.
Put it into the head of the pan. Gone. Ooh.
Fry was too much.
This one looks shorter.
The first one is more than this one.
Hi guys, this is 8:15. And you can say you not come to my place when I'll see camera. This is 8:15 and I'm just making my hair by 8:15. This is Anike, my hairdresser, as you guys know. So I'm actually just making my hair now.